a political prisoner.
Kidnapped by the state.
Kidnapped by the state.
For being a Palestinian.
For being a Palestinian.
Speaking out against the genocide of his people.
Speaking out against the genocide of his people.
Then we betray Mahmoud himself.
Then we betray Mahmoud himself.
I promise you, you don't want this. Stay in my space. Give me my 6 feet. You don't want this, brother. You don't want this. Give me my 6 feet. You don't want this. Stay
Bottom
away.
line, I'm a Zionist.
Stay away. You don't want this. You don't want this. Give me my 6 feet. You don't want this. You don't want this. Stay away.
I think he's drunk.
Part of my back.
Day drinking is bad.
Very cool style, very chill. Summer music.
Don't give him any legal help. He's going to jail for the rest of his life.
He choked the protester. By the neck. You don't follow orders, bro. You're trying to play tough guy. Look at you.
I'm still tough. I'm
Trying to play tough guy. Look at you.
You're doing all of that while I got my hands behind my back.
Okay. You're trying to play tough guy, bro.
Because you want to touch on children.
You're committing genocide.
You're committing genocide.
Netanyahu, you can't hide. Netanyahu.
All around me are familiar.
Israel, hi. You look Russian. Israel, hi.
They want attention, so we don't give it to them.
Israel, hi.
They want attention, so we give it to them.
Israel, hi.
They're back.
I'm a Zionist and I'm proud. 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 How's the day drinking? I'm a Zionist and I'm proud. We want to show you that
I'm
you
a
guys are
Zionist
the
and
only
I'm
people that...
proud. Shouldn't you be in
I'm
nature?
a Zionist and I'm proud.
What about nature?
I'm a Zionist and I'm proud.
Have a conversation.
I'm a Zionist and I'm proud.
Man, you smart. How to be Bishadash.
I'm a Zionist and I'm proud.
Hebrew.
I'm a Zionist and I'm proud. We love Israel. Ata Benzona. Ata love Israel. We love it. Let's go in the middle. Stand on the curb.
Get over there, bitch.
I'm telling you, stand on the curb.
It's okay.
Come on, big boy.
That hurt.
Don't want to mess with me.
Oh, he's not messing around, bro. He wasn't. I haven't seen that before.
Where's your titties? Where's your yarmulke? I'm not wearing yarmulke.
Where's your tits? Where your tits is at?
Hands up our students now! Hands up our students now! Hands up our students now! Hands up our students now!
Spontaneous.
Hands up our students now! 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 Hands up our students! Hands up our students now! Hands up our students now! Hands up our students now!
Syria now? Did you know that? Did you know people are being slaughtered as we speak in Syria? What is this selective activism? There's always this selective activism for Palestine. Can you explain that, please?
Oh, big boy! Hey, big boy!
Push these back, we will sue you.
Uh-oh.
Do not touch me, because I'm already here.
Uh-oh.
Sir, you better get out. Do not touch me. This is my life.
Oh, hey, hey! Whoa, whoa, whoa! He's grabbing! He's grabbing nuts! He's grabbing nuts!
you grab his dick, Serrato? Why? Why did you grab nuts? Why'd you grab his cock, Serrato? I want to press charges for sexual assault. A sexual assault right there, Serrato.
That's what I'm saying. That's, can we play right here?
You getting in trouble. Oh.
Cool with that? He's grabbing with me, he's grabbing with me.
Free Palestine! Free Palestine!
They're moving. He's moving.
This is the New York City Police Department. NYPD barriers have been set up for safety and security purposes. If you move, tamper with, or cross over the barriers, you may be subject to arrest for obstructing governmental administration. This is the New York City Police Department. NYPD barriers have been set up for safety and security purposes. If you move, tamper with, or cross over the barriers, you may be subject to arrest for obstructing governmental administration.